what's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about the iPhone SE2 on the iOS 14.4. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into today's video, shall we? So the iPhone SE2 on the iOS 14.4. This device battery life is been a bit better than iOS 14.3, but in terms of performance it is getting a bit warm while doing normal usage. But I think it is just because after updating your device always gets warm. But this was not happening to me since past two updates. The last time it happened to me was on iOS 1.1, but the warm my phone was getting warm, but that thing is now repeating. It means the iPhone SE2 is getting warm after update again. For some reason, I don't know. Let me know down in comments below. Are you guys experiencing this or not? If you have already updated, and if you have not updated, keep in mind that this may or may not happen to you. Talking about the stability, there are, to be honest, till now I have not found any bugs or anything which you should just not update. There are some resprings that I got before updating. It was I don't know if you guys want to include this in iOS 1.3 or on iOS 1.4, but while I pressed the download and install button, I was getting some resprings, and this happened two times. So I don't know why this happened, but yeah, you should keep in mind before going to update your device to iOS 1.4. But then also I would say just connect your device to iTunes and just update it via iTunes. It is a much better. If you have a PC, obviously, then you can update your device after connecting your device to iTunes, because if you will do that, you won't experience anything, and sometimes your device even stuck in boot loop, so you won't even get that. So I always recommend everyone to, if they have a PC, install your update via iTunes. It is the best possible way you can. The over air updates, installing the updates over air is good and all. I have installed over air for past like 1 or 2 years, but I stopped doing that because my iPhone 10 was getting some boot loop issues because of the over air update. So after that day I stopped doing that. Now the final verdict. Should you update your iPhone SE2 on this firmware or not? The answer is yes, go for it. Update your device. This brought some new security updates that you should obviously go and update as soon as possible, because Apple have patched a lot of security update, and they have been included a lot of security features on your device. So go ahead and update your device to iOS 1.4, even if you are doing it via iTunes. So go ahead and do it. So that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful for you all, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel, because I do these type of things almost daily and I don't want you guys to miss that. Peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode.